Borong Gunang Chairman Belaka Hambai Tinini Ani Musonka Problem of School Education in TTADC areas and Internet blog Adivasi Life Matter on September 29, 2022 title Why Basic Education is Still a Dream for Tribals of this Region in Tripura. John Debajit has reported. Bual Khali High School, Government of Tripura, Roishabari Gondasora, Dhalai. The major problem for the education institution at Roishabari includes infrastructure challenge, lack of teachers, classroom missing, lack of proper reading facilities like libraries, lack of clean drinking water, and lack of proper toilets. The same condition of Dayaram Kami High School, established in 1993, which is converted to a high school in 2019, and Jerkami Para SB School, run by the Tripura government and the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, TTADC. It is difficult to ponder over other challenges. The absence of these facilities makes the school a mere physical structure. Also, Manik Mohan Para JB School and Sunachandra Para JB School under Rupaishwari IS TTADC area in dilapidated condition. On September 8, 2022, the online newspaper site Tripura TV and Bangalore TV channel highlight that Surendranagar SS School Vidyajyoti scheme under Hazamara block was converted Bengali to English medium school in 2015 by the state government. But English teachers are not recruited to this school, and other facilities like reading bench, toilets, meals, etc. are not provided. Moreover, local people have reported the government Bengali medium school like Darugambura High School and Naurang Tuiras Kami High School under Hazamera block was declared English medium school in 18/4/2020. However, this school also had dilapidated classroom and lack of English teacher. Hambai angor jagawo sana musungmaningka ini musonni जों नुगो चिनी एडीसी एरिया को गोबांमा स्कूल दङ जेता नुक दङ किन्तु अ जायगायाव नुखुंख्रै विभिन्न जायगा स्कूल नुखा प्रत्येकटा स्कूलाव टेबिल बेंच नि अभाव टीचर नि अभाव इभेन गोबांमा टीचर दङ बयनि नुगो थाङै टॉयलेट खायनानि बागै मा थाङो अमाहाय गोबांमा स्कूल रावबो जों नुखा इभेन जों नुगो एकटा स्कूलाव मिड डे मिल व्यवस्था पर्यन्त ठीक मते रजागिया अमाहाय गोबांमा स्कूल एडीसी एरियाव जों नुहै दं आबुनि बागै दिनै अ मुसुनां टिसा जागो जों नुखा गोबांमा सरकार फायो थाङो सबका साथ सबका विकास बो होनो किन्तु विकास जों एकमात्र जेनारेल एलाका सिमि नुगो एडीसी एलाकाव एकटा डेभलपमेन्टनि सामुं जों नुगजागिया आबुनि बागै अ क्वेश्चन न तिनि अ मुसुना टिसामानि कारण खा जाते सबका साथ सबका विकास हंकाय जाते चिनी एडीसी एरिया हबो जत स्कूलनि फेसिलिटी मानथों एवं चिनी चराय जारा ताबो क्लास 1 निसिमि 10 एवं विभिन्न स्कूल फरिनाय बरको जाते गाहाम करंथ एजुकेशन जों जाते रयमानाते आबुन बागै अ मुसुन टिसा जो हामबाय।